Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. The watch is charged and the paired iPhone is on and nearby. You need the Apple ID and password currently signed into the watch because activation lock ties to that account. If you are not the original owner, contact them now and ask them to sign out remotely from iCloud. Once done, make sure they follow the Remove from Account steps on iCloud. Calm so you can proceed to unpair safely. You now unpair the watch from the paired iPhone using the Watch app. Tap the info icon and choose Unpair Apple Watch, then enter the Apple ID password to disable activation lock during the process. If the original owner is remote, have them sign into iCloud. Calm, open Find iPhone, select the watch, and remove it from their account. Make sure the watch resets to factory settings. Once it reboots, activation lock should be cleared if the Apple ID was removed correctly. You finish by restarting the watch and proceeding through setup using your Apple ID once activation lock is gone. If the lock persists, don't try unauthorized bypasses. Instead, gather proof of purchase, original owner information, and any receipts. Make sure the proof clearly shows serial or IMEI. Then contact Apple support and submit the documentation. Apple can manually remove activation lock for legitimate owners, if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.